NFTs. Just months ago, they were ubiquitous, right? Celebrities, big brands, all were selling digital collectibles to anyone who wanted to buy them.
I got an ape too.
The idea of becoming an overnight millionaire has never been so present. With the sudden rise of cryptocurrencies through celebrity endorsements, finance has never been this easy.
It's the American dream, right? It's the hitting it big, risking it all.
For
cryptocurrencies.
It's a safe and easy way to get into crypto.
What a scam. Oh man, what a scam.
With the rise of get-rich-quick schemes, we took it upon ourselves to see whether crypto can really turn you into a millionaire overnight.
I don't think so. And I'm never wrong about this stuff. Never.
We'll see about that. Firstly, we have Diana and Marta, our two candidates who will test their financial abilities through our crypto trading challenge. They have 7 days and €20. Let's see whether or not they go crypto or go home.
Crypto is bullshit. Let's start there. Crypto is a digital currency that is not supported by any government funds and it's fully virtual, and that's why it's very volatile and you never know what you're gonna get with it.
Yeah, a digital currency that is also backed up by a blockchain, which I know very well because I did a course on blockchains. So yeah, it's backed up by algorithms, so it's super safe but also very unstable and risky.
To understand their financial journey, we reached out to 3 professionals in the industry. Mr. Mustafayev,
thank you.
Dr. Hao Wang,
It's my great pleasure. Thank you.
and Mr. McCormack. We hope their insights offer a better understanding in the field of finance.
Oh, I have never invested into crypto, but I know people who have, and I know someone who basically they have heard about NFTs and how all the big celebrities were investing into cryptocurrency, and that's what my friend kind of invested in, and she invested 7,000 euros in it, and they pretty much lost everything because it wasn't as popular as they imagined. So I'm scared. That's where the scaredness is coming from.
Cryptocurrencies have been all over the news, but what are they in the first place?
Let's simplify it for an audience with no prior financial literacy. Imagine traditional money, so like cash or coins that we use for buying things. Crypto is similar, but it exists only in a digital form.
The cryptocurrency are just a digital or a virtual format of the currency that use a well-defined algorithm.
If they only exist in the digital world, do we really have to be financially literate to deal with them? But what is financial literacy anyway?
Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and the understanding of financial tools and skills that are necessary to make investment decisions.
How realistic is it that our participants will profit from crypto in a week?
Oh, 20 euros, it's not such much money that making a profit of any amount, let's say a week, solely from a starting capital of 20 euros can be challenging.
You want to get 20,000 euro in a week, then probably I suggest try the lottery.
I was thinking that maybe I can invest 4 euros into 5 different cryptocurrencies, 2 that are high right now and probably 2 that are low right now. That's kind of my strategy. Honestly, with stocks, it's kind of the long-term strategy. That's what you want to do with like a portfolio and stuff. But I don't know, I think it would be fun to experiment with cryptocurrency for like a week. So
I would go right into 1, maximum 2 currencies and just monitor the change most of the time. I think that will be my strategy.
I see that that's a diversification investment strategy. So it can certainly manage the risk and hence somehow reduce the potential losses.
I think what you have to remember as a young person is you have the best asset of all time. It's time. Time. You can't buy time. You can't create it. You can trade it and you can sell it for money and assets, but you can't get it back.
Yeah. So today's production team gave me 20 euros to invest in crypto.
Okay, I bought my first crypto right now.
So basically my strategy was for me to invest in 5 different cryptos.
I don't know what's going on, but things are not looking great, honestly. I basically invested 5 euros into 3 different cryptos right now. The numbers are not looking good. Look at the numbers. It's 10 Marta, stop texting the group. Currently I have 10 euros on my account. And I invested 15, like 5 in each.
And the second I did so, I lost like 60% of what I initially invested. Basically, my investments in crypto fell by 60%.
I invested 20, and I currently have about 14.
Which I have no idea what went wrong, but I'm feeling quite miserable right now, and I don't know how this challenge is gonna unfold after this.
The level of profitability will vary depending on the player's abilities.
Yeah, well, that didn't work out, so my plan for the rest of the day is to go back home and actually do some research and figure out what crypto is.
Okay, so it's day 2, and I'm expecting to see some fluctuations, either up and down, but since I already lost, probably down. But when I wake up, I see that I still have 17 euros in my account. So I think it's a glitch in the system. For me, it's perfectly stable. And it's a bit disappointing. It's not fun.
Actually, it's really freaking boring. It's a series of smart decisions over the long haul.
What makes things worse is that there are real cases that people get rich quick. They exist. It's just with a very tiny possibility.
And I think that's the biggest misconception. Yes, are there day traders that make money? Yeah, there are. It's not most people.
So today I decided to take the matter into my own hands and take some classes on Revolut, and also maybe take a shortcut and cheat my way through making profit on Revolut.
I might have just completely cheated my way through this challenge.
There is another mistake, that is beliefs that one can accurately predict market movements or consistently beat the market. So additionally, people may overlook the risk involved in trading and investing.
Literally, I don't know what happened. I lost 14 euros in the past week. I started off with 20. How the heck did it fall to 14?
I found out that you can actually learn about the different stocks and you can get money off it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Yeah, they basically give you like an article to read or like a video, and then you read it, and then you're supposed to answer a few questions. I might have or might not have cheated and went against the system, and I basically took the pictures of the articles on my phone and then I had them by my side. Am I a genius? Am I a liar? I don't know, because the only thing that I care about for this specific challenge is to make money off of crypto. Stay tuned, guys.
And that's how I was answering the questions. Did I cheat my way through it? Maybe. Did I end up making a bit of profit? Yes. So we call it a win-win situation.
Day 4, I initially lost €1 in the morning, and it was happening in front of my eyes when I just see how it's falling down, and it feels so helpless because I cannot do anything about it. If I sell it right now, I lose. So I think, okay, let it be then.
Investment can fluctuate in value and losses are possible. So it's crucial to consider the risk management strategies and have a diversified portfolio to mitigate potential loss. So last but not least, that there is often a mistake that trading or investing is only for the wealthy and finance professionals. So in reality, anyone can participate in the market with proper education and guidance.
How did you first hear about crypto?
Probably on the internet, because there were a lot of articles talking about the different celebrities investing into cryptocurrency, Justin Bieber, Kim Kardashian and stuff. But that's more of NFTs.
Wait, should we have invested in something else?
You have heard about the Bored Ape NFT phenomenon. Let's say this Bored Ape NFT phenomenon refers to a specific collection of digital artworks. So It's NFT, that you know that NFT stands for non-fungible token.
The Bored App Yacht Club. It is a collection of about 10,000 unique digital images. This special social group is leading or even creating this market.
Celebrity-endorsed NFTs are leaving investors financially crippled.
When you use celebrities, it's like manipulation. It's like, oh wow, this person's super, especially social media now. Everyone pretends they're super successful. They're not. I'm from LA. I grew up in LA. It is wild how much money people spend to look successful. It's insane. To give you an idea, there's multiple private jets at various airports in LA that don't function, that just charge you money so that you can sit in them and take photos so that you look more successful. They're selling you an image that isn't real. And that's super irresponsible because this is people's money. People do sink their livelihood into these very speculative assets, and they do lose them all.
Day 5, I realized that crypto has been taking up most of my mental capabilities. Crypto was on my mind in the morning, when I woke up, at night when I went to sleep. I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep. And because of that, I decided to change the environment that I was in, and I went to a cafe, got a drink, thought it would make me feel better, but then I checked my cryptos again and they weren't doing any better. Somehow I ended up losing 14 euros out of 20 on Revolut, but I have no idea how that happened and how they actually calculate their crypto, so I think Revolut is actually a scam.
It's highly speculative, it's very volatile. Should you invest in it? I do, but not a lot. It should be viewed as simply that. A lot of people view it as an alternative currency that's going to save the world. I don't agree with that.
Cryptocurrency's reliability can vary. So it uses secure technology, but individuals' platforms may have vulnerabilities. So prices can change a lot. Regulations differ by country. More popular cryptocurrencies are generally more reliable. So users need to take security measures.
The technology itself is quite reliable on the security point of view. On this point, the purchase power, or say the value, is not so reliable.
So since I lost so much money, I had to go back home, and the only thing I could afford that evening was some ramen noodles. So that's what I ate. That's how bad crypto is. And it pretty much didn't change, apart from the fact that I see that post factum, during the day it rose up significantly and abruptly, but I couldn't do anything about it because when I saw it, it was already too late and I couldn't sell it and I couldn't do anything about it. So I just see it and I am there understanding that I just lost the chance to get more money out of the deal.
And I think as young people, you're gonna have to get creative. I myself am having to get creative, and I think to get creative, you just have to invest in yourself and learn and fail and make mistakes.
Embrace the existence of a crypto while knowing the boundary of our knowledge.
so it's the last day, and honestly, I don't feel very happy anymore as I did in the beginning of the challenge. I'm not as confident in my financial literacy nor crypto anymore. I had one last glimpse at my crypto before ending the challenge, and my investments are now at 15 euros 30 cents more or less, and I confidently lost 7 euro. I confidently lost 4 euros and 70 cents throughout the challenge. That's considering the initial amount of 20 euros that I invested, and ignoring the fact that I actually took classes and made some profit out of them and some investment out of that. So I lost a lot more, but we're not going to tell anyone about that because that's just sad because I'm a business student and that's not good on my reputation.
In fact, I think in any financial market, we are competing with other investors. It is always that some people are smarter or have more resources.
But going back to that kind of traditional investment advice, the only thing we can really look at is the whole history of modern financing. And if you look at that, even through the ups and downs, even through the various inflation periods and deflation periods and market crashes, if you stay in the game, if you stay in the market long enough, you will see a rate of return.
To summarize it, to wrap up the talking about crypto, I think that the crypto had the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. So while it carries some risks, it also offers exciting opportunities for financial empowerment. So it's decentralization and innovation. So I advise you to all approach it with open mind, educate yourself, and consider its long-term implications.
So as we've heard till now, crypto remains an unresolved mystery for the economy. With that said, if you decide to go crypto, make sure to manage your risks and educate yourself.
Don't fuck with crypto.